successfully automated a complex process of binding and palletizing heavy bundles of packaging paper, the world's largest manufacturer of protected packaging materials presented MMCI with a new task of automating a roll packing and palletizing process.
But this particular application brought a special challenge, which is handling a non-case product. The majority of the concern was to do with the labor, the availability of labor, the fact that they run a 24-hour operation, the fact that the operator was doing multiple tasks, placing the roll into the box, putting the box on the pallet, labeling the box. Some of the larger rolls of film that we're handling can weigh up to 65 pounds. So it would take at least one or two operators to manhandle the rolls and place the boxes on them. They were really concerned about their employee safety, and this solution resolved that issue.
Of course, addressing labor issues and making systems safer was only part of the challenge. We also were tasked with making the system faster, more reliable, and smarter while fitting it into a tight space. Our engineering team started by designing a system using robotics and other automated equipment to replace all of the heavy lifting and manual labor being performed by workers. Next, we configured the in-feed process with zone accumulation conveyors to mitigate any downtime. Then, we outfitted the palletizing cell with an automated pallet dispenser, dual shuttle system for outbound conveyors, and a robotic arm that stacked multiple pallets while also dispensing the slip sheets, all of which greatly enhanced productivity. However, the key element of the project was the customized multitasking case packing robot.
So the customer wanted us to develop a multitask robot, the ability to actually erect a case, tape it, and then load a case. And typically those are done with separate pieces of equipment. But MMCI was able to design all of that functionality into one robot tool across 3 different product sizes.
We started by outfitting the cell with an intelligent hopper that sensed when to supply boxes to the robot. We then fabricated custom end-of-arm tooling with vacuum cups to grab the box and unfold it for packaging. Finally, a FANUC robotic arm was programmed to set the empty box into the case sealer at an angle and assist it through the sealing process. From there, the robot returns to the in-feed conveyor and uses a customized ID gripper to secure the roll and prepare it for case packing. By only handling the roll from the inside core, the outer layer of film is left untouched, and the roll is gently placed at an angle into the box. If any issues occur, sensors will sound an alarm. The box is then sent to the next station to capture data on the roll and prepare it for final sealing. As the roll nears the end stop, a scanner reads the laser-etched barcodes for quality control and tracking purposes. Once stopped, a custom fabricated roll upender and a side-mounted top sealer complete the case packing process. From there, cases from both robotic case packers are conveyed through automatic print and apply labelers and into the robotic palletization cell, where a 6-axis FANUC R2000 IC robotic arm outfitted with custom end-of-arm tooling takes over.
Very uniquely, we were able to design the custom tool along with the custom robot to be able to pick the case up, stand it up 90 degrees, put a sheet on the layer, and then do it again. And uniquely as well, we integrated a strapper into our system to strap the full pallets of product going to their end users.
Prior to deployment, we tested the system in our St. Louis-based technology center and developed support processes and training to ensure it achieved its primary objectives of improving safety and productivity.
Again, the value of MMCI is the ability to recognize the application and apply our engineering and our robotics technology to that application. So whether it's something very simply of placing a box on a pallet or a very custom product inside of a case, those challenges are accepted. We look forward to those and we perform at a high level. So we're looking forward to working with future clients and showing them our capabilities.